What's up, Breezy family? It's your favorite foodie and travel content creator checking in. This is going to be a room tour and day one of my time on Carnival Celebration. So if you're here, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. We flew into Miami the day before because who got time to be playing with these planes? I don't, but I'll have a 24 hours in Miami video uploaded. You can go ahead and check the description for that link. But we're here for the cruise, so let's jump right into that. We've arrived. We're at the Carnival Terminal. We're Terminal F. And we're Carnival Celebration. Also, I just need to eat, so let's get on there. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Let's see what they're talking about. Nice. He's so cute. Okay, I know they're not pets, but he's cute. Like, say hi. Yeah. He's so cute.
You're on level 8. I wonder how many levels on there.
Good God. Another one. You gotta go through TSA after the dog allowed you to come. Child. All I'm gonna say is Carnival said they sick of y'all. They said what they said. Hi. All right. Thank you. Tell me, what's your name? I mean, my name is Brianna. Time to go. From there, we just decided it would be way easier to go ahead and just find our room, locate where it is on the ship. We were on deck 8. We had the Havana interior rooms. These rooms were nice and spacious for the two of us. We got the king size bed, which is really just them putting 2 twin size beds together. The beds were pretty comfortable, but the vanity was my favorite part. It was really nice. Now, they do only have one source for power. So if you really need a lot of sources for power, like your phones and your cameras and stuff, I suggest bringing a power surge for this room because there's only 2 outlets, and those 2 outlets would be located directly under that vanity mirror. If you can see it, I thought this was the bathroom. Baby, this was not the bathroom. This is just another room. If you did connecting rooms, they'd be able to connect them like this. So I hope the person, if you were next to me, I'm sorry, maybe I did knock on your door. And next is just a tour of the bathroom. Honestly, in my opinion, I've been on cruises before. It looks like a typical cruise bathroom to me. If you gotta make it any bigger, I suggest you book a bigger room. If not, make it do what it do. They clean it every single day. I appreciated them. It worked for us. Now, this is the Havana Experience amenities, okay? You will need your key card and your wristband to be back here. But when you get back here, there are nice, cool lounging seats for you to be able to tan. This is a private area. You have to be over 12 to even be in this. And I think they do that just to kind of keep those cool, chill vibes. Like, even when there were people out there, it was still quiet, which was so amazing to me because we were literally right outside of the karaoke bar and so much more that was going on outside of the ship. They have a full service bar, so whatever you're needing, they got it for you. And they also have their own private pool. This is a cold pool, so don't be like me thinking it's hot and jumping in. But yeah, you get nice, beautiful vibes and views of whatever city or island that you're pulling up to or pulling away from. I honestly think that it's definitely worth the upgrade, especially if you're anything like us and you kind of want to do both. You want to be a part of the crowd and have the fun, but you also want to have a little time to just sit alone and relax and enjoy the moment. On this side is their balconies. That is where you'll be able to see that from your balcony, and they also have like excess chairs over there as well. So that's pretty much a tour of all of the Havana Experience. And yeah, I hope you guys really enjoy, and I definitely think it's worth it. So if you do, go ahead and drop some flames in the comments. My sailing day was on Mother's Day, so they had a bunch of stuff for moms, and shout out to you, Carnival, because I really appreciated it. But Mother's Day or not, I already knew my first stop was going to be Guy's Burger Joint. Now, I've heard people say don't go here on Embarkation Day because it's going to be nasty. Baby, it was great, okay? You think about it, Guy's Burgers got it on the fried tip as well, baby. And I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I had about 4 of these burgers while I was on board. Is that excessive? Yes. But can I get this on land? The answer is no. So let's jump right into my first bite.
Is in-flight safety briefing and so I invite each and every single one of you up to the Lido deck. That's deck 16 by the ship's main swimming pool. Join DJ Lido, your co-DJ from Trinidad and Tobago, as well as your entertainment team, as we say bye-bye to Miami and hello to Dubai. It is the ultimate way to jumpstart a vacation of a lifetime. Then, at 4:15, head on down to the Grand Spectrum Theatre for sea.
There we go, son. There we go, son. There we go. There we go. Maybe it's hot, okay? We got a brand new day. And if you didn't know, Carnival does it big for their sail away party. Lido deck is packed out with people. And when I say packed, I mean it. So go ahead and get you a seat early. You get to do line dances. You get to have drinks. Whatever it is that you like at the sail away party, it's a blast. Okay, so make sure you don't miss that. Because if this is your first cruise, I definitely think it's a must try. And make sure that you bring a fan. A personal little fan. That's what I needed because it's so hot. And if you're anything like me, you sweat right on your face. And I hate that. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and sail away from Miami. I think we started sailing away around like 4:45, 5 p.m. But our dinner was at 7:30, so we had to jump right to the room and get ready.
Your phone. And maybe you're in bed. Because getting delivery
cute.
doesn't mean you have to miss deals like you get at the store. Like the one creamer that doesn't make your stomach hurt. Or the pasta sauce you can't not buy when it's on sale.
You can get these.
So download the Instacart app, shop flyers.
If you just asked your stateroom attendant to get you a robe, they'll get you one. Now do this when you first come in or do it early because they will go fast if they don't have enough for everybody. So make sure that's something that you ask for. Okay? Okay. It's comfy. You know? It's giving comfort. For sure. Just did my makeup. I'm trying to go like light coverage, so just concealer, eyebrow glue, and some blush. That's it. That's it. Oh, and some translucent powder and setting spray. But y'all already know that go with it. But it's hot out there, and this is my reminder to myself to plug up my fan because it died earlier. Do this. Oh my god, did I just zoom in? Dang. Well, since we're here, I need my own lashes. I love lash clusters because, yeah, your girl is rough. So I could just do these whenever. Not whenever, for real, but whatever, you know. Night one, we decided to just go with the main dining room, which is their festival restaurant. I think this is towards the back of the ship, so we had to figure out where we were going. But my outfit was cute. Clap, clap for the outfit. Tee, body tee, all that, okay? But one thing I did love is that everybody on my floor, well, most of the people, had their rooms decorated. Oh my God, their doors. And I will definitely be doing this next time. Happy birthday to anybody whose birthday it was. There was even one door that had magnets, and people would just put and make different words every single day. That was the best. So shout out to you if that was your cabin. As we walked around, we were just trying to familiarize ourselves with the boat you know, on the first day, you don't never know where you're going. So we may have went the wrong way once or twice. It really allowed us to go ahead and just explore and see what amenities they had. They have a really nice candy shop on board. So if you have a sweet tooth, that's where you need to be. And like I said, it was Mother's Day, so they were giving us flowers upon arrival into the restaurant, which was so beautiful and sweet. These flowers actually lasted the whole time, and we were there for 7 days. Did get a little quick glimpse of the spring rolls at dinner, and I got the steak. I don't know why my camera was looking like that. Did y'all see that? But Darren got the chicken. He said it was pretty good as well. And we just did fruit for dessert. Fruit bangs every time. We went to the club for the first night. And the night we went to the club and had a few drinks. When I tell y'all it was a time, it was a time. Just listen to me singing. That's how you know I had a good time. Stay tuned.